We came to repair broken sewer pipes throughout the community. Well, one usually is about a day, 2 days. It all depends on the depth and the length of it. So we were doing one a day. So I enjoy being out here doing this stuff. It can range between 4,000 on up to, depends the depth and the run, up to 20 plus. Grade out, lay the sod, tamp everything down, do clean up, edge it, power wash the sidewalks, the road, get everything cleaned up in this area so we can hit our last one. Pretty much do all of our cleanup, pack up and get out of here.